Hey, what's up, guys? Here doing a bike check. It's my early Christmas present. It's a 2013 DK Kvant, I think it's called. It's a full chrome ollie. It's pretty much stock, but just want to go through and show you guys the bike. Of course, it's a full chrome ollie frame, chrome ollie 2-piece crank, chrome ollie fork, chrome ollie bars. Let's see. It's a pretty decent bike. It's got a 28T sprocket. A lot of you guys are probably used to the 25 teeth, but the 28 teeth is really good. You're really not gonna notice a difference. At least I didn't notice a difference when I was riding it. Actually, it made it a little bit faster. It's got these Sunringle Estate double wall rims. It's a female hub in the front and male in the back. I love the chain that came with it. It's really nice. It's a KMC 710, I think it is. It's nice and thick. Let's see what else. The stem is really nice. Looks like it's a really light stem. The only thing I didn't like that I had to do is it kept slipping a lot, so I had to sand the knurling down. And I was gonna try it out today, but it's raining, so yeah, it's gonna have to wait till tomorrow. It's very light. It's supposedly 25 pounds and some ounces, I don't know. It's got a Kenda Ticket white wall tires, which I don't really like this whole white wall thing. I like my tire just all black. I think it's too much white going on. But they're very nice. 2.25 in the front and 2.25 in the back. They're very big tires. And let's see, the pivotal seat is pretty nice. It's a little skinny for me. I'm used to I'm more of an old school guy, having the tall seat, but I didn't make it too tall or all the way down. I need to ride this thing, just not just do tricks. Let's see, it's got the Tektrol brake system here. Pretty normal. Squeals like a pig when I brake. And yeah, that's the my little bike check. It's really nice. I recommend it. I'm gonna do a couple upgrades. Not sure what I'm gonna do. I know I'm gonna order, probably today I'm gonna order my my pegs. Left side pegs. And I might change out the seat. I like the fat seats. Nice fat comfortable seat. Might get a different stem. Might do a whole gold and white theme. I'm not sure, or just black and white. Not too sure, but yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Oh yeah, and these the grips are really nice. Some people say that they suck, but they're really nice. At least for me. I'm used to like the old school grips, which are really shitty and hard. So this is like a step up from all the BMXs that I used to have. But yeah, thumbs up, thumbs down, rate, comment, whatever. All right.